Start over.
Okay, start over.
I'll put it back to 4:45. 4:45 p.m. Okay. Now, all right. So first thing is take this little toggle switch and put it to set.
Okay, all right.
Next, hit the program button.
Okay,
Next, hit the 0. That means every day of the week.
okay,
Then start hitting rev. First thing you see is day of the week 0. Next thing you see is on time. So that's what you'll want to reset. So you start off with clear. Then you
Okay.
put in the new time you want. Let's say 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
9:00 p.m. And then the important thing is okay. Now, and then you rev again. So now you 0. Time on is 9, and the PM light is flashing, not the AM light. And then time off is 11:30. And then you press rev again, and it says end the program. So at that point, you just set this back to run, and that's it. It'll come on at 9 o'clock.
Oh, okay.
So right now, I'm going to go ahead and put it back to where it was, because you only want to change that Sunday night,
On Sunday
right?
night.
So I'll go program, 0, rev, one more, clear, 4:45 p.m. Okay. And now just to make sure, I'll run through it. Rev, 0 every day. Then 4:45 is the on time.
Uh-huh.
And PM is flashing, and then 11:30 is
time.
off time. End the program. I put it back to run. It's to save it,
And it's all set.
and
So now it's all set to go on 4:45.
it'll come on at 4:45.